Hello friends, in this video we are looking at job prospects for Indians in translation presented by Dr. Prabha Patil, Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Translation is a skill because many problems in translation, including the linguistic and the cultural, depend on practice. Translation theory cannot teach a translator to write well, but it can provide training to acquire the skills needed for achieving accuracy and economy, which are the two main aims of translation. For translation, one should have the skills like fluency in two or more languages, good understanding and in-depth knowledge of languages, as well as the cultures, which is called as localization. One should know the knowledge specific to the content. One should be excellent in writing as well as self-motivation and enthusiasm for working as a translator is necessary. According to UK Linguist Association, an excellent translation reads like a piece originally written in the target language. Sentence structure, linkages, and discourse are entirely appropriate to the target language. Can you make a living with translation? How the global translation market works? There are international translation organizations as well as in-house translators agencies in India. Apart from this, you can work as independent translator. Job prospects for interpreters and translators. With the globalization of Indian economy, multinational companies are making a beeline for India. More and more companies are going for joint ventures abroad. The job scenario for those having proficiency in foreign language have been opened up. Let us see what fields can a translator work in. Job prospects vary from secretarial, executive and public relation assignments as well as for translation and interpretation jobs. Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India recruits translators for various languages. There are other opportunities. The fields of foreign language include industries, publishing houses, and research organizations pertaining to defense studies. Many companies like HP, Oracle, Samsung, LG are employing language experts. The travel and tourism sector, hotel industry, exhibitions and fairs, airline offices, export agencies, radio stations, trade organizations, and of course teaching are some of the sectors where you can work as a translator. For pursuing a career in teaching, a teacher should be a graduate in that foreign language and must have a teaching degree. Here are translation companies in India. Indian Translators Association, Ideal Lingua Translations, Language Services Bureau, Crystal Hughes, Salvai Translation Services, Mayflower Language Services, Translation in India, Shakti Enterprise, Integrated Language Solutions, Trans Infopreneur, Lingual Consultancy and Trade India. It is necessary for the students to mention the top colleges or institutes for translator or interpreter courses. Here are the few. The Central Translation Bureau in New Delhi, Annamalai University in Chennai, Himachal Pradesh University in Simla, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University Raipur, Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University Nanded, University of Pune, Vishwabharati University Shantiniketan, University of Hyderabad, and the Central Institute for English and Foreign Languages in Hyderabad. Here are the courses for translation studies. We should be aware of the duties of interpreters and translators. They convert concepts in the source language to equivalent concepts in the target language. They compile information and technical terms into glossaries and terminology databases to be used in their oral interpretations and translations. They speak, read, and write fluently in at least two languages, one of which is usually English. Transmit the style and tone of the original language. They render spoken messages accurately, quickly, and clearly. And even they apply their cultural knowledge to render an accurate and meaningful interpretation or translation of the original message. What are the qualities necessary for interpreters and translators? Yes, let us have a look. Business skills. Self-employed interpreters and translators need general business skills to manage their finances and careers successfully. They must set prices for their work, bill customers, keep records, and market their services in order to build their client base. Concentration. Interpreters and translators must be able to concentrate while others are speaking or moving around them. Cultural sensitivity. Interpreters and translators must be sensitive to cultural differences and expectations among the people whom they are helping to communicate. Successful interpreting and translating is a matter not only of knowing the words in different languages but also of understanding people's cultures. Dexterity sign. Language interpreters must be able to make quick and coordinated hand, finger, and arm movements when interpreting. Interpersonal skills. Interpreters and translators, particularly those who are self-employed, must be able to get along with those who hire or use their services in order to retain clients and attract new business. Listening, reading, and speaking skills are necessary for the interpreters as well as the translators. Translator must be able to write clearly and effectively in all of the languages in which they are working. Friends, we have seen the job prospects for Indian students. In the next video, let us see the methods of translation, types of translation, and translation competency. Thank you.